recording.
Let's give you a little bit more of this thing right here. Get off on this old hook'em slappy, and that's where the video usually ends, in this old deep curve, this wrap around to get on this interstate. But yeah, I ain't got nothing on my mind. Shoot, just picking and choosing when I'm gonna ride these old bikes. Now that old man winter, I don't know if it's officially winter, still fall, but doggone it, 32 degrees or 32 degrees, that's cold to me, y'all. That is cold to me. I got my heated gear though, and I got my leather. I didn't get my big bear collar I should have had, but it's supposed to be a little warmer today, or tonight rather, than it was this morning when I got off. So I believe I'll be all right. Now this is where the thing ends. Let's go get this money, y'all. I'm headed to work. Woo!
Papa Slappy, please read us a story. Please, huh? Please.
All right. Shoot, boy. Leaving at this time of the day, going to work, boy. Old Slappy Dog got to put that old... He got the daggone drop of gear, make it do what it do, baby, huh? While I was coming up through here, white knuckling, I seen a car on the shoulder. And there was another car up the road just a little bit, and he was going in reverse, I guess to help out that other car. And you know, it reminded me of a story. Yeah, it's storytelling time with Slappy Adventures.
All right, it's storytelling time with Slappy Adventures. Yay!
Papa Slappy, would you please tell us a story? Please, huh? Please.
All right, children. Let Slappy Adventures tell you a little story. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
All right, here we go.
Once upon a time, not long ago.
Get on up in front of that doggone truck. He had like he didn't want to be too friendly with those Slappy dogs. So, we had to be friendly to ourselves. Yeah, I seen that car backing up. And this story right here happened going down to Key West this past October. Well, we just easing on, just got us some gas, got on 95. We running about 85 on 95. Yeah, come on. I'm in the front. You know, down there in Florida, everybody's kind of leisured out. Got their Scud Douglas helmets on. You know, they got their baseball caps on. You know, there's a no helmet law in Florida. To each his own. I know you're going to be like, you got to wear a helmet, you got to wear a helmet. No, you got to let men and women be men and women. And that's what I let them do. They are grown. Do your thing. I might indulge with a little riding around with no helmet every now and again myself. But anyway, the story is about nobody had their Cenas on. Nobody had their headsets on. So we're riding. And if you're in the front and something happens in the back or in the middle, you can't see it, you don't know. So we ride down through there, and lo and behold, my man K Smooth blowed an axle out of his California sidecar Escapade trailer. I think it's the Elite trailer. He's had it for a couple years. And had it painted to match. It was already kind of matching, but he made it match for real. So he blowed an axle, because we didn't know nothing about it. We riding at that particular time, Marcus Grant, he had his helmet on. He gives me a call. He said, something happened back here. I think the guy with the trailer, maroon bike, had a flat tire. I said, okay, they on the shoulder? He said, yeah. And by that time, my man Hope come flying up to the front on the side of me. You know, talking about, you know, something happened. I said, okay, so we pulls over. Just so happened there was a get-off ramp right there by a Love's truck stop. So we get off on the get-off ramp at the Love's truck stop, but we stopped right there on the, you know, on the get-off ramp part, see what was going on. So Hope, he pulls over with us. So he commenced to turns around on the shoulder and goes up north on the southbound side of the shoulder, right? Well, I'm like, we got about 8 people right here with us. There's no way in the world I'm gonna do that. So we sat there, and while I was telling them what was going on, after getting off the phone, here comes 2 of Florida's finest state troopers. So they pulls up, I see him, so I walks up to him to engage him. You know, they got to walk down here and, you know, the first guy comes out. Hey, man, we seen your buddy back here in trouble. I said, yeah, I think he blowed a tire. He said, yeah, but just tell your friend he can't be running up his shoulder the other way. Then his buddy in the second car comes out there and he starts barking at me, man. You don't I'm gonna do that down there in Florida. That's against the law. You just I'm like, oh shit. I said, okay, buddy. I said, okay, he should know better than that. I said, but I will relay the message on to him. No, y'all ain't gonna be doing that down there. One of y'all gonna go get a ticket. I mean, he was just giving me hell. I kind of looked at him, I'm like, all right, man, I appreciate it. I said, we're going to go see what he's got going on. We're not going to go back up the shoulder. We weren't going to do that no way. Then he goes off on me again. I'm like, hey, man, what's the problem? You done said the same damn thing to me twice. Now, this is a damn state trooper now. I don't give a daggone who you are. I'm a man, first of all. And the way you come at me is the way I'm going to come at you. I ain't did a damn thing wrong. If you see somebody doing something wrong and you want to go off on him, then you carry your ass up that damn shoulder and you talk to him about it. I didn't do a mother-sucking thing wrong, excuse me. I didn't do a daggum thing wrong. But if you got something to say to him, you go up there and chew his ear off. Don't chew mine off. You done said the same thing 4 damn times. He kind of looked at me. I just turned my back and walked on. I said, y'all, come on, let's go see what's happening. So we go down, get off the ramp, you know, go back, go past them, one exit, and then do a flip and come back the other way. And stop and see what was happening, which we thought it was a blowed out tire, which that would have been wonderful. That would have been an easy fix because we all got spare tires, but it was a snapped axle right there at the weld. When it snapped, it drug him damn tires. It broke the air line. It did some damage up under there. It didn't poke a hole in nothing, but it was snapped sure enough. And we kind of looked at it. Everybody was calling AAA, trying to get this and that and the third. And my main objective was to get our asses off of this damn shoulder. I hate to be on the shoulder for any amount of time. I don't even like people say hit the shoulder somebody, this, that, and other. Look, we gonna go down here and get off on the next exit. These guys out here ain't paying no attention. They damn swerving. Hell, I drive a truck for a living. I know what they're doing. I don't like being on their shoulder for nothing if I can help it. So once I seen the damage and it wasn't completely off the trailer, one of the guys had Ron had a strap that was on his luggage rack that was hanging out the back. I said, let me borrow that strap. I grabbed it, put the axle back on there, and I pulled that strap to the front, hooked up to the axle, just to hold it in place. He said, well, how far you want to go with this? All we try to do is get off of this shoulder. Let's take it to the truck stop, and we can deal with the aftermath off of this daggum shoulder. So it was about maybe a half a mile. Well, but with that strap, it worked, man. We pulled that strap real tight and got the axle where to stay straight. It was wobbly, but we got off the road to the truck stop, and that's when we went into trying to figure out how to fix the problem. But that is a story. Do not go up the shoulder the wrong way. I know it's probably, some exits might be 10 miles away, might be a long way around, but don't turn around and go back up a shoulder like that unless it's a short distance, because That daggone state trooper was gonna give old Hope the business if he'd have damn caught him. I'm out, y'all.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm ready.